Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be talking about how you can join the Instagram Reels bonus program. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, first things first, we are going to go ahead and open up our official Instagram right here where we need to go ahead and log into your account from which we are posting Reels. So guys, let's say that you have been posting Reels for some time and now you want to go ahead and enter the bonus program. So here is my account and let's say our Reels have gotten some attention, we have become famous, gotten followers and so on, and we want to join the bonus program to earn money and become even more famous. So basically, what are we going to do? So as you can see in this article right here, we're going to go ahead and open up our Safari article on the official help center of Instagram showing us about Instagram Reels Play bonus program rules. There's rules showing us how we can go ahead and enter this bonus program right here. But yeah guys, sadly, as you can see, the bonus program is no longer active. It was invite only, so if you were famous enough and you were an influencer that had popular reels, Instagram would invite you to the bonus program by themselves and as an invitation only, as you can see right here. But currently it no longer exists, so you cannot join it anymore. Basically, you can just go ahead and continue uploading your reels, and if in the future sometime this bonus program comes back, then somebody will be able to invite you in the invite only option and then you'll be able to join it. But for now guys, it's just not possible to join it and you just want to go and keep uploading reels normally like without it. So basically that's how it is. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.